Mine is just like major surgery. Let him shoot it. I don't want to get it dirty.
Texas, the shotgun wasn't bad to take apart.
Just hold on to it.
Are you ready?
Yep.
Stand by.
You race fuel? Yeah. That's a pretty gun. It is pretty. Found that situation. Trap box. That's right. What did it take?
I didn't pick it out.
Oh, that's right. You just
Yes. We'll see. I don't think I'll do all of them, but I might shoot one through here. We'll see how much.
You finish the clear? All right, just keep the muzzle up.
load up.
Stand by. Yeah.
I don't know.
You're welcome. You don't have to.
I'd like to.
Okay.
That one was hot.
Yeah, it was. It was like a double charge or something. It was a Super 16.
Sweet 16. Yeah, puts the grip. Those are cool. Hot. They say now, I mean, even in close quarters, you know, your accuracy suffers big time. Or maybe in a go.
Are you ready? Stand by.
I'm down to open door.
Because there's no, it's not a round screw wheel.
Yes, you killed it.
Yeah, they look like nice fellas, huh? Yeah. But that 1100, I don't see all that often. I break a 20, so it's about. It's always been accurate. About a foot.
You still got the left hand going on the middle of moving.
The middle.
Yeah, you gotta move though. You gotta move. There you go. There you go. You gotta use cover build to see whether or not. Okay, there you go. Are you ready? Stand by.
Oh, you want one in the same? Okay. You just hold it up.
Over the top of those. You went over the top of those plates, yeah. The one on the left.
Cover three on the move and three from the other cover.
Good enough.
In the middle? Yeah.
Fine. Go ahead and muzzle up. And
Gotta go
stand
blind
by.
lamb. He was gonna take off.
Yeah, he was. Oh, has he got an 8?
Ah, finish. Keep it open. And
Bye.
Did I miss it?
Missed that one.
What?
You missed that
Last
one. I'm not shooting that fast.
Okay. 28.